If you've ever needed to track down a specific transaction or verify your financial records inside QuickBooks Online, today's guide is going to make your life a whole lot easier. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to find journal entries in QuickBooks quickly, cleanly, and without any confusion. Let's jump right in. First, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you've got a steady internet connection since QuickBooks runs entirely in the cloud. Once you're on the login page, click Sign In, enter your email and password, and complete any verification if asked. After you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Next, look over at the left-hand navigation menu. This is where almost everything in QuickBooks begins. Click on Reports. This section is your central hub for tracking your business health, and it's also where all journal entry reports live. Inside the Reports section, you'll see multiple tabs at the top. Click on the Standard tab. This is where QuickBooks stores all the common templates used for bookkeeping, accounting, and everyday business reporting. Now, scroll down until you find the category labeled For My Accountant. If you're ever troubleshooting numbers, reconciling accounts, or reviewing bookkeeping history, this is the exact spot designed for that. Within this section, find and click on Journal. This will instantly pull up a complete list of all your journal entries, organized by date, accounts used, and the amounts involved. It's a clean snapshot of every adjustment or manual entry done inside your books. To make your search even easier, use the filter options in the upper corner. You can adjust the date range, choose specific accounts, or refine by transaction types. This helps you cut out the clutter and jump straight to the entries you need without digging through endless lines of data. And that's it. Simple, fast, and super effective. Checking your journal entries regularly is one of the best habits you can build for accurate financial tracking, troubleshooting errors, and keeping your books ready for audits or accountant reviews. If this guide helped you, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more clean, simplified QuickBooks tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.